over here in my all mail section of Gmail, you can see that I got a bunch of emails right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to do multiple email selection to apply different actions to them. So to do that, you need to go around over here on the left side, and you can simply click on the box right here, and then you can see that you can select out multiple emails just like this. You can click on them once more to deselect them right here. So that is what you have. You can go around over here and select out all of the emails right here just like this, and then you can go around over here on the top as well to select out according to different filters. So if I were to go around over here, I can select all the emails as well, or none of the emails right here. Or let's say I want to select out just the red emails. So I'm just going to go around and select red, and only the red emails will be selected right here, while the unread ones will be left out as it is. If I were to go around over here and click on starred emails, then only the starred emails will be selected. But I have no starred emails right now, so none of them are selected over here. If I were to go around onto unstarred, then you see that every email that is not starred will be selected right here. But even this selection, this bulk selection, has a limitation. That is because it is selecting the emails which are there in this particular page. Like it is selecting the 50 pages right here, the 50 emails right here, which is on this particular page, but it is not selecting out the rest of the 7 emails that are there on the next page, as you can see right here. So if you want to go around and select out all the emails that you have even on the other pages, then you can go around and click around over here and click on all. So now you can see that all the 50 conversations on this page are selected, and if you were to click on select all 57 conversations, then what happens is that now all of the 57 conversations is selected right here in the all mail section. If I were to go to the next page right here, then you can see it's deselected right now. But if I were to go around and click on all, now you can see that the 7 conversations are selected, which are present on this particular page. But if I were to click on select all 57 conversations, now the emails from the other page will be selected as well. And that is how you can select out multiple emails all at once and use different options to do multiple selections inside of Gmail. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.